Always place the carrier rear-facing in a back seat without an active airbag. The red level line on the carrier should be even with the floor. Route the lap belt through the blue guides on both sides, then buckle. Wrap the shoulder belt behind the shell and into the rear guide. If your vehicle allows, pull the shoulder belt all the way out to switch it into locking mode, then pull it snug. Rotate the carry handle to the rebound position. The seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch at the belt path, and the seat belt should be smooth with no twists. Route the lap belt through the side guides only. Keep the shoulder belt on the buckle side. Press down, pull the belt tight, then lock the belt. Pull the shoulder belt all the way out to switch it into locking mode, then pull it snug. Move the handle to the rebound position. Push the base side to side. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch. Always read your car seat and vehicle manuals for the most accurate instructions, or consult a certified child passenger safety technician if you need help.